Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Roblox on full screen and hide taskbar on Windows, so let's get started. When playing the Microsoft Store or web version of Roblox on your PC, you will have the option to switch to full screen mode using your in-game settings. Press the escape key on your keyboard and head over to the settings tab. You have the option to enable the full screen option, which will be disabled by default. Most users will see that their taskbar is still visible. To fix this, you can simply use the shortcut Shift plus F11 on your keyboard. This will toggle this window to true full screen mode. Use the shortcut again to revert these changes. You can also use this shortcut to toggle from windowed mode to full screen without having to open your in-game settings. This will work for any Roblox experience using any of the two game launchers. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, bye!